viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmad and this video base is only information purpose.
So today we are going to discuss about also core wallet, and in this video we are going to change our password. Yes, sometime your password is compromised, so you want to change. So this is so simple and easy way. In this video I'm giving you complete information. Before going to start this information, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we have already discussed about how we recovered the password over Core Wallet or Avalanche Wallet. So if you have not watched that video, simple go to my YouTube channel, and after that just click on video portion, and you can see here you will get the information how to recover my Avalanche C Chain Core Wallet password. There is shown here secret recovery phases and network. You just simple visit my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we are going to now change the password of our Avalanche Core Wallet. Right top corner you can see here I have installed Core Wallet. I just simply click on it. After that I need to enter the password here because I want to open my account. Simple login. If my password is correct, then my wallet will be logged in front of me. You can see here my wallet is logged in front of me, and this time I have not any balance, and I have selected Avalanche main network. I have already discussed how you can change the network from the core wallet. You can see here there is shown Avalanche address, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can also deposit more coin. Simple select the coins area. I will also information in my incoming videos. But today we are going to discuss how we can change the password. Simple is that right top corner you can see here the profile area. Just simple click on it, and then the sixth number option is available here, security and privacy. You just simple click on it, and the second option available here, change the password. If you need to change the password, you just simple click on this option, and now change the password. Avoiding using a password that you use with other website or that might be easy for someone to guess. So you must enter your strong password like your bank account, because if you have a balance on this account, so maybe some scammer or hacker trying to access your wallet. So I'm going to enter my long old password, and now I'm going to enter my new password here, but I want to enter my strong password here. You can see here all green what is available here, strength, strong, keep, this one. So going to again enter my strong password here. And you can see here when you enter your first word, so there is shown the questions. Your password is not matched, but no problem for you. I have entered my old password, also enter my create a new password, and then again confirm my new password. And when you see this green words, so confirm your password is strong. So going to click on save button. You can see here your password has been changed successfully. Now my wallet password is changed. This is so simple and easy. I'm going to first of all log out my wallet and try to my old password for login, and then I will use my new password. So going to click on back button, and after that you can see here there is log code show is shown here. Simple click on it, and now enter my old password. Click on login. So you can see here invalid password means my old password is changed, and now I'm going to enter my new password here. I'm going to enter my new password here. Going to click on login button. Now as you can see here, I have successfully changed my Avalanche core wallet. If your password is compromised and you want to change, so simple is that you can use same scenario which is I have told in this video. I'm again going to tell you, just simple click on profile area, click on security privacy, and after that use the change password. If you want to recover your password, so you must have your seed phrases. You must take the backup of your seed phrases. Simple click on show seed phrases, and after that enter your password here. Let's suppose I'm going to enter my new password here and click on show recovery seed phrases. So don't share phrases with anyone. The word can be used to steal all your account. That's why you want to recover your password or recover your wallet. You just use your seed phrases. So you must keep in your mind, when you have created your account, you must save your secret phrases and make the multiples copy, like in your personal diary, and also you can print out your phrases and also copy your all phrases in your USB or CD drive. Okay, viewers, I hope you properly understand. If you get any information from this video, so simple is that you just go to my YouTube channel and press the subscribe button and like this video. And if you get any more information about Avalanche core wallets, you can see here I have uploaded almost 4 videos on this my YouTube channel. First video, how to set up your core wallet with seed phrases. Okay. Second video is how to backup seed phrases of your Avalanche. I have already told about this seed phrases in this video, how to find. You can also complete watch video from this YouTube channel. And the third video is how to manage network on Avalanche. Means how can you manage your network, like if you want to change like Avalanche to Bitcoin to Ethereum, so you can watch this video. And my second last video is how to recover my AVAX Avalanche core wallet. Let's suppose you have forgot your password or you can't access your wallet, so you can use your seed phrases and you can easily recover your wallets. So if you face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, we just simple mail to my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. Okay viewers, so let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.